Hey guys, today I'll be showing you how I prepared this yummy coconut rice. So let's get started. Inside a pot, I'll be adding vegetable oil. Use any vegetable oil of your choice. Then after that, I will go in with my diced onion and green paprika or bell pepper. I love the taste this green bell pepper gives to my rice or stew. I will also be going in with some ginger and garlic paste. I will put the link to this in my description box. I will add some habanero pepper. I will add in some curry powder. This is not the strong curry powder. This doesn't contain pepper, just ordinary curry powder. Then I will be adding some thyme and some rosemary. Guys, we are doing sharp food method. You know that anytime you do sharp food method, the taste so we go in with seasoning cubes. Use any seasoning cube of your choice. Give it a stir, it will melt in there. And after that, I will sieve in my chicken broth. I've already prepared chicken off camera. I don't want this video to be long, so I've done a lot off camera. I've parboiled the rice off camera as well. Now I will grate in some nutmeg. I'm preparing a lot of rice because I'm expecting some visitors. So I'm preparing like 5 cups. So I will be getting about 10 liters. This pot is 10 liters of pot. So after grating in the nutmeg, this is the quantity I grated. I did not put all, guys. So after grating in the nutmeg, I will be putting the Ema coconut. That's what I'm using, guys. Try this if you haven't tested Ema coconut. Though I bought this from Nigeria, not here. I don't know whether you see it here, whether it's online, but this is directly from Nigeria, guys. Whether for your baking, for anything that you want coconut flavor, try this thing, guys. You will love it. Then I will stir it, and after stirring it, I will add the parboiled rice. I already cooked this rice for 10 minutes, so I will just add it in. You can use washed rice, like you don't need to parboil yours. You can just wash it thoroughly and add, okay? So anyways, it will come out well. So after adding the rice, I will top up the water to at least the level of the rice. Add some salt. Then give it a stir. Please click the like button and share my video. If you like this video, remember to leave your comments below. If you have any question, leave your comments below. I will top up with crayfish powder, just like so. I don't want to stir in the crayfish yet, so I will cover the pot and cook this for 5 minutes. Then after 5 minutes, I will add the vegetables I'm using. Over here, I have green beans, peas, sweet corn, carrots, and spring onion. You can use any vegetable of your choice. I will add a little bit of salt again because of the large quantity of vegetables I added. I will allow this to dry up at least for more 5 minutes. And after that, I will give it a stir. I will stir it generously so that everything will perfectly combine together. And that is it, guys. You have your coconut rice, and this tasted so good. You can enjoy it with chicken, with beef, with fish, and your cook. Thank you so much for watching. Do have a wonderful day. Bye, and see you in my next one. Bon appetit.